Suunto recently launched the company's first smartwatches to run wearables, the previous generation of watches running the operating system for Suunto itself. This is considered a turning point for the company, and the Suunto 7 can be seen as a wearable device aimed at other competitors in the market such as Samsung Galaxy Watch Active and Apple Watch. A versatile GPS sports watch and smartwatch in one, combining Suunto's sports expertise with helpful smartwatch features from Wear OS by Google. Suunto sports instruments and dive computers are designed in Finland and have been used by adventurers all over the globe since 1936. See detailed training insights using 70 sports modes with GPS, barometric altitude and wrist heart rate measurements. Connect to Suunto mobile app and leading sports services like Strava and Endomondo. Free offline outdoor maps with terrain details, trails and contour lines are always just one swipe away during exercise. Offline maps can be used without a phone or network connectivity. Free offline heat maps show the most popular tracks of 15 different activities, including running, cycling and swimming. Get notifications, see your next meeting, and view incoming calls and messages. Pay quickly and easily with Google Pay, get smart help from the Google Assistant, and access thousands of apps on Google Play. Suunto 7 battery lasts up to 48 hours in smartwatch use or up to 12 hours in GPS tracking mode. In 20 minutes you can charge enough for 2 hours of sports training, and in just 100 minutes get the battery completely full. Suunto 7 is designed and tested in Finland. It's waterproof up to 50 meters and the bright high-resolution OLED touchscreen is protected with scratch-resistant Gorilla Glass. Suunto 7 Fitness and Lifestyle GPS Smartwatch. Suunto 7 is a GPS sports watch and smartwatch in one, designed to help you get the most out of both your sports and your busy life. It combines Suunto's versatile sports experience and outdoor maps with the latest smartwatch features from Wear OS by Google. It's both durable and waterproof, so you can take it anywhere. All the sports features of Suunto 7 are just one button press away, with 70 pre-configured sports modes. Get the stats that matter most, accurate exercise tracking, including GPS, barometer, and wrist heart rate sensor, then easily share them in the Suunto app or on major sports services like Strava, Endomondo, or Training Peaks. Detailed insights will help you train smarter, pushing you closer to reaching your goals. Know where to go with free offline outdoor maps. Local maps will be downloaded automatically when you're connected to Wi-Fi and charging, or you can manually download the map of your preferred location, so you'll always know the best routes even when you're away from home. Built-in heat maps for 16 activities including running, swimming, and cycling show you the most popular routes for your sport. Thanks for watching, guys. If this video was helpful to you, please remember to leave a like and subscribe to my channel to see more videos like this in the future. And if you have any questions related to the products we listed here, leave a comment down below and I will get back to you as soon as I can.